calling. If you're looking to make a move in Erin Mills in a 4-bedroom home that is well maintained in an area that still has a block party, then let's go and check out this house and see what your new life will look like. Unwind on your covered porch and wave at the neighbors. When you're relaxing in your backyard with a good book under a little bit of shade.